Hello and welcome to Cloned and Deployed by CloneOps. Today we're showing how freight brokerages use AI agents to automate and enhance track and trace workflows. In logistics, knowing where your freight is and spotting delays before they happen is critical. The last thing you want is a shipper asking you where a truck is and you don't know, only to find out that it's going to be late or it won't make it at all. As brokerages scale, it's hard to reach every driver or track every piece of equipment. Electronic tracking does help, but adoption isn't guaranteed. And even active tracking can drop off. Your next check dates pile up, carriers go unreachable, and the manual chase for updates becomes an all day, everyday grind. CloneOps integrates with your TMS to pinpoint shipments needing extra visibility, whether it's an appointment time approaching, tracking hasn't started, or the data has gone dark. AI agents automatically reach out to carriers, drivers, or dispatchers, handle follow-ups when unreachable, and log updates directly in your TMS. Alerts can flag shipments needing escalation, so if a pickup or delivery is at risk, you can act on it early, whether it's giving the customer a heads up or rescheduling to avoid service failures. So let's go ahead, let's run through one of the many solutions that could be provided to help drive visibility in the right direction. Alrighty, let's go through an example of what one of these check calls could look like. So I went ahead and added in shipment information and my information. I'll be taking the role of a driver or dispatcher here. Again, like I said, CloneOps would be automatically scanning your TMS, identifying the loads that could use this additional visibility according to the rules that you set. And also, once it comes into the CloneOps platform, we would be automatically making this phone call as well. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and call myself now. Hello.
Hi, this is Nick with Cover One Freight. Just wanted to check in to see if you're looking good for on-time delivery in Chicago. Your appointment is at 2 p.m., so just double checking that you'll be there on time.
Yeah, brother, we should be good. I think we'll be cutting it close, but we're going to try to make it up on the road here.
Gotcha. Where are you right now?
I just passed the Six Flags, so that should be about like Gurnee, Illinois.
Alrighty, thanks for letting me know. Let's see how far you're from Chicago. Please hold on for a moment. Thanks for your patience. It looks like you're about 44 miles out from Chicago. Does that sound about right, or are you further along now?
Let me see here. Give me just a second.
Sure thing. Take your time.
Yeah, it looks like we're about 40 miles out now.
All right, thanks for the update. I'll check if you can make it on time for the appointment. Please hold on for a moment. I just checked the trip time, and it looks like your ETA is around 2:19 p.m. and the appointment time is 2 p.m. Since you're running a bit behind, is there anything that led to this delay?
Yeah, I figured again, we'll try to make it up on the road here, but yeah, just it was a pretty slow loading process at the pickup. And then when we were crossing the border into Wisconsin, we were down to one lane. So sorry about that, but like I said, we'll be getting a move on here and trying to shave off some time.
Thanks for letting me know. I've informed the team about the anticipated late arrival. That's all I need for now. Have a great day and safe travels.
Thanks. Bye-bye. All righty. So as you can see from that notification that popped up, I just got an alert in my Slack channel about the late delay or late arrival. And as soon as this call completes, we'll have our post-call process run, generating information that can be uploaded back into your TMS. While that's generating, a couple things to note. Obviously, our agent was doing some things in the background there. So what we did in this case, I plugged in Google Maps to identify, generally speaking, how much distance is left. That API returns that distance in meters. We have our agent convert that to miles, where it says it looks like you're about 44 miles away. We gave it a little bit of a correction on our miles, and we said we're 40 miles away. So threw together a little tool here that takes the assumed average speed of travel and determines, okay, based on how many miles that are remaining, how fast truck will travel on average. Got an estimated travel time of 44 minutes, putting me about 19 minutes late for my arrival, with that on-time arrival being false. So in that case, we're asking, hey, looks like might not be able to make it in time. Any reason for this delay? And they can provide that context, which helps bolster up the update that we'll put into the TMS. You can see over here on the left-hand side, driver's currently near Gurnee, Illinois, approximately 40 miles away, arriving around 2:15 or 2:19 for a 2 p.m. delivery appointment, and noted reasons for the delay. So pretty cool stuff. And we're also extracting variables here as well, including estimated time arrival, current location, miles left, if we're going to make it on time. All can be used to help log a tracking update, post some kind of an escalation in your TMS. Each is different, but we're able to get that data where it needs to be. And you can also see here, we also executed an escalation, which in this case was a Slack message to myself. Really powerful stuff. Again, you can actually have your voice agents actually doing things, checking into systems, making determinations, and analyzing, okay, is this person going to be able to make it on time, allowing you to get in front of those delays. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed that quick demonstration. Just wanted to wrap up here. By leveraging CloneOps, you're able to engage with drivers when you need it most, 24/7. You no longer have to go to battle with your check call backlog, and you're able to get in front of and act upon freight execution issues before they become unrecoverable. Instead of scrambling to make calls, you're acting on escalations and what matters most, and that's supporting your drivers and your shippers. Leveraging CloneOps prevents the constant headcount battle for driver services or tracking teams, and it enables those groups to be much more effective with their time. We provide an interface that allows you to actively manage, take over, listen in, and audit all the work that your agents are doing, all while the process runs autonomously. From identifying the loads that need attention, to making the calls and other interactions, to bringing that data and insights where your team already lives and operates. Agents like the one shown here today are ready to go. So if you're behind on your tracking queues regularly, this might be the right time to talk. Have a good one. See you in the next one.